Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your profits even further by getting cash back through Aliexpress and using affiliates through Oberlo. So as you can see here, I'm currently in my Aliexpress account, and within your My Orders section of your account there is a page on here called My Aliexpress Pockets. Now basically pockets are the equivalent to vouchers. You can buy pockets within Aliexpress to redeem against your account, against your purchases. So as you can see here, I've got $86 sat in my sort of gift card pocket balance, and I can use these to buy the orders when I'm placing them through Oberlo. So all you need to do is head over to your My Aliexpress Pocket and you click Buy Aliexpress Pockets. And within here you get a number of these different sort of gift card quantities that appear. Now you can only buy a maximum of $700 of these at any one time, so you can never really blow it. Now the one thing to remember with this is that they are non-redeemable. So if you purchase $700 but then don't buy $700 worth of products from AliExpress, you can't get that refund back to you. So the way that I deal with it is I look through my Oberlo orders list, roughly guess how much it's going to cost me to buy those products, because you should know what your cost price is anyway, and then I will buy that many pockets for the number of orders I need to process. So all you need to do is click on the buy now button. I usually go for the $20 one just because it's easier to add up in your head quickly. And from here, let's just say I needed $200, I would just buy 10 of these pockets, and you will buy them and just put them to your card like you would any other product. But the benefit of these pockets is, if I just go back to that, go back to my account page, the benefit of these pockets is that they provide you with coupons. So when you buy the pocket from AliExpress, it provides you with coupons on your account that are then redeemable against the orders. So as you can see here, if I just go into my used coupons, you can see here, these are the coupons I've used against orders. So I got $4 off an order over $35, $3 off a $25 order, $2 off a $15 order, and some more $2, $5 off a $40 order, and this just goes on and on and on and on and on. As you can see, I've got pages and pages of coupons here, and you can save thousands of dollars just with these coupon codes. And these come through all the time. So every time you buy pockets, you buy these gift cards from AliExpress, AliExpress will just add these coupons to your account. So if you were buying something for $15, you could actually only pay $13. Now it might not seem that much, or it's only $2, but if you do 1,000 orders and you save $2 every time, that's an extra $2,000 in profit that you're making just by using these pockets. And the other benefit with this is, I don't know about you guys, but my card kept getting flagged for security issues because I was dropshipping. You have to keep verifying your information over and over and over again with Alipay and with AliExpress. And that can take days for them to verify it, which means you then have days worth of orders that you need to process in the back end. Whereas with the pockets, you never get flagged for security. You could buy $700 worth of these pockets, these gift cards, and it will go through every single time. And then when you process your orders, you just use your pockets and you're not actually charging your card, which makes obviously your bank account statements look a lot better, because instead of having just hundreds of orders of AliExpress payments, you're just going to have a one bulk payment of say $500, and then you use the pockets against the orders you need to place. Not a lot of people know about this, not a lot of people are telling you about this, but you can save so much money by running this. So make sure you have a look into the AliExpress pockets, and remember, they're non-redeemable, so only buy the number of pockets you need to place the number of orders you have outstanding. And that way you can always keep your balance low and never really risk too much money. So the second way that you can save more money when you're processing your orders is through the affiliate that Oberlo recently introduced. So if I just head over to my Oberlo account, as you can see here, within the settings and then suppliers area of the Oberlo account, if you just scroll down to the bottom here, you have this affiliate program with Admitad. And you can sign up with Admitad and you enter your affiliate ID into this box and click save. And then every time you process an order through Oberlo onto AliExpress, you'll be gaining affiliate payments through Admitad and through Oberlo. So if I just head over to my Admitad dashboard, I've only recently put this on, but as you can see here, I currently have $60 that I've just been given back to me just from placing orders that I have to place anyway. It takes a few days for the payments to be confirmed. As you can see here, so $30 has been confirmed, and I have another $41 here that's currently being confirmed within their system. But once that's confirmed, it'll go into this pot here and I can withdraw it. And that's just extra money. That's extra money that they're giving me just for placing the orders I would be anyway. So a combination of Admitad and the AliExpress pockets, you can save hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just from placing your orders anyway. It increases your profit with no extra effort on your part. It's even easier. And those two simple steps there could just change your profit margin and change whether a product becomes profitable or not. So that's just a little bit of a hint and tips that I found. It's very useful. It works. It gives you money back. You know, I mean, you'd be stupid not to be using these two methods, especially the coupon method, because some of these numbers are great. And if you're placing larger orders, if a customer comes to your store and buys multiple of a certain product and you're getting up to the $100, $200 kind of dollar order value, you're getting more and more money off that anyway. So yeah, that's kind of the end of this video. It was a short one. I've just got back from Berlin from doing the shoot with Oberlo. That video will be premiered on their YouTube channel in a few weeks' time, so make sure you watch out for that. And when it does go live, I'll be there within the first hour to answer any questions you have about the video, about Shopify, about dropshipping and everything to do with it. So make sure you check that out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more and more of these videos, giving out little hints, little tips that I found through my experience of dropshipping. If you have any questions at all about this video, about anything to do with dropshipping, just leave a comment below. I'm answering all the comments that come through. So just ask me a question if there's anything you want to know. If there's any other videos you want to see in the future, if there's certain questions that you want to know that I haven't covered yet, just leave them in the comments as well. And any of my videos, go and check out the other ones that are on the channel, because people have found them really useful as well. And yeah, that's the end of this video. So I'll see you in the next one.